An understatement is a figure of speech where we say less than what we actually mean. It's often used to convey irony, sarcasm, or even humor. In literature, understatement can add depth, nuance, and complexity to a character's voice or narrative. In Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Darcy says, "I like you very much, Elizabeth." Sounds simple, right? But what he really means is that he's deeply in love with her. Austen uses understatement to show Darcy's reserve and vulnerability.
Understatement can also be used to convey the opposite of what we mean. This is called irony. In literature, irony can add layers of meaning and create tension or humor. In Hamlet, the character Polonius says, "I am but mad north-northwest. When the wind is southerly, I know a hawk from a handsaw." He's saying the opposite of what he means, that he's actually quite sane. Shakespeare uses understatement to show Polonius's cleverness and deceit.